How to enable developer option on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable developer option on Android step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on about phone, and here simply scroll down, and here simply search for the build number and tap on the build number for 7 times. And now here, once you have done that, you may be asked to enter your lock screen PIN or password. So here, after tapping it, you will see the message that says you are now a developer, but as you can see, I have already enabled it, so it says no need, you are already a developer. And here, once you have enabled it, you can simply go back to the settings, and from here, you simply have to scroll down, and here you just have to tap on additional settings. And now here, if you scroll down to the bottom, there you can see the developer option. So here, simply tap on it, and now here you can toggle and customize features like USB debugging, animation scale, background process limits, stay awake mode, and here only enable feature you understand, as some options can affect the phone performance. And that's it. That's how you can enable developer options on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.